Cruzada, ha. You know, my mom says to you, my mom says to me, you are very crazy. Oh, sira ulo ka, Paulo Cruzada. For me, do not hostage teacher May. You don't know what the address is. For me, I never chat teacher May in Messenger, even in Facebook. I just told to J. Rick Silva, to Ronald Rebena. Maybe Ronald Rebena is a close friends with Teacher May. But I urge Teacher May just block Paulo Cruzada in Facebook. Just ignore him. Because I know I tell to Lawrence Villawan in Messenger. I say to him, binalak mo ba si Paulo Cruzada? But he said yes. But he will tell to Bill Galang to tell Teacher May to block Paulo Cruzada. Oh, Paulo Cruzada. Do not harass Teacher May because, for me, she is already retired. You know what really happened to her dog anyway, Bubbles? She passed away. Her dog died. Same as Kuya Rodelio Daguman, same as us, same as um, same as everyone. They don't have a dog. Or Teacher May's dog named Bubbles had already cremated. And she doesn't have a dog. Or she start breeding cats, like Puspins, or like me, or Tito Mac. Or we start breeding cats. Compare like Shania Kiana, she doesn't have a dog. Her dog passed away. She start breeding cats. This Paulo Cruzada, you know what? Teacher May doesn't want to be stressed. She always stress at you for threatening to hostage at her. You're threatening to harass her, or you're threatening to hostage at her. You know, it's not really nice to hostage anybody. Me, when I promised to Apollo Sanchez and Lawrence Villawan, I don't want to make enemies with Teacher May. Because I know I apologize to her. Because she is my former teacher. Oh, I say to everyone, I do not want to make enemies at my former teacher. Oh, you have to respect the former teachers. Look at me and Nikki Miranda. Oh, we're not making enemies with Teacher May. Me, I never make enemies with Teacher May. I removed Teacher May in my enemy list because she is my former teacher. Just like I heard that from, in Batang Quiapo about David Demagiba when Tanggol had make enemies with David Demagiba named Tanggol. Oh, in Batang Quiapo, I learned about the lesson from David Demagiba. I should never make enemies. Oh, like you, Paulo Cruzada. You should learn about your lesson too. You should reflect yourself. You should reflect your attitude. There is reflection, and do not bully anybody. Like me, I never want to bully Teacher Vincent, or I never want to edit a picture of Russian military, or I will get in trouble. In the last 2021, I'm the one who made fake account of Teacher Vincent. I apologize to J. Rick. But me and Teacher Vincent, we reconcile each other. Thanks to J. Rick Silva. That I leave him alone. That is a better for you, Paulo Cruzada. When I was learned that the lesson from Capitana Salonga, you need to learn your lesson. You need to stop what you're doing. Since Capitana said to me, when you make enemies, do not fight. What? Yes. Okay, let's continue on my vlog. Okay. And for Paulo Cruzada, ha, do not harass Teacher May. Because, Teacher May is very retired. Oh, she's taking care of her cats anyway. With her niece, Isabella, spent bonding with her nephew, Rafael, was graduated in Ateneo. Do not harass Teacher May, Paulo Cruzada. Me and Paulo Cuba, we do not like terrorism. We do not like threatening hostage anybody. O, kung gusto mo, Paulo Cruzada, manahimik ka na lang, like I said. Paulo Cruzada, make a public apology to Teacher May. May ka ng sorry, like I said. This is not really nice to hostage anybody. Paulo Cruzada, there is the one thing I could say. Teacher May is very kind to us. She's our former teacher. As I remember, Teacher May gave me a t-shirt anyway. At the time, I never want to harass Teacher May. Because she's our former teacher. You know that. I talk with Kuya Bear, like me, I never want to harass Teacher May, because I know she's my former teacher. And I talk to aside of Kuya Bear, I talk to to my former friends, like who are I say my friends from CDIFI, I do not want to harass Teacher May. It matters. I'm saying to you, Paulo Cruzada, Teacher May is very old, very retired. She's retired already. If you want to say about you're an ISIS, you are etc. What you're saying, you want to threaten to hostage her. For me, Paulo Cruzada, you do not know the address of Teacher May. Like I say to J. Rick Silva, kinuwento ko kay J. Rick, like I said, yung si Paulo Cruzada, tinatreaten niya si Teacher May para mag-hostage sa kanya, like I said. Teacher May, she doesn't know what that address is. Hindi mo ba alam ang address niya, like I said? You do not know the address is. It's just like simple. Paulo Cruzada is making nonsense, or he says puro lang katapang-tapangan. His mental dreaded in his head, in even his mental retard. Paulo Cruzada, you do not know the address of Teacher May. That's the reason. For you, Paulo Cruzada, make a public apology to Teacher May. It's so very shameless. I apologize to Teacher May when I treated as an enemy. But this time, I never say she's my enemy. You need to apologize. Make a public apology. Do not harass Teacher May. What you said to her, you want to threaten to hostage at her. How would you ever hostage a person that she doesn't do anything? It's not really nice.